This video is going to show you how revisions work. Now, revisions will be turned on your website, and I just want to show you what exactly it is and what it's doing for you and why it's important. So a revision is keeping track of changes to your content for you. And why that's important is it allows you to run an undo on content changes you've done without revisions turned on. If you just change your content and hit save, what used to be there is now gone and updated, and you're stuck with what you currently have, which is why revisions is so nice, is because it is giving you an undo option and it's tracking your changes for you. So we're going to take a look at this Running Tech Notes page. And here we can see just a simple paragraph, and I have revisions turned on. And you can see there's been some activity here, and that our most current version is here. Now this is a copy of the revision from Thursday at 8:14. And if we look at our history, the Thursday the 26th at 8:14 is this one. So you can see from your history there was some initial creation, then we removed filler text with an intro paragraph, and then we expanded the page to include more topics. And then for whatever reason it was decided that we wanted to go, per this one, we wanted to go back to this 8:14, remove filler text with intro paragraph. So what that's saying is you just no longer see this expanded page. Little complicated, but let's run through it and show you how it works. So let's click edit, and let's just change some formatting. Let's take out a sentence. Let's underline a word, and we'll italicize a word. So just some subtle changes. We're going to go down here, click revision information, and this create new revision is already checked, so a new revision will be created for you. What I'm suggesting here is that you put in a little note so you remember what was changed. All right, and we'll hit save. So now when we look at our page, we can see our italicized word and temperatures has been underlined. If we go back to revisions, we can see our note, and it's been added to the history. If you don't add the note, you get entries like this down here. But let's say that formatting should not have happened. We want to go back to what it was. So we can click on what we want it to be. So let's just go back to this undo. Revert. So now we can see copy of the revision from 8:15, which is this one. If we go look at our changes, our sentence has been added back in. We're no longer italicized, and we're not underlined anymore. So that's very handy to do that. If you wanted to go back to this expanded the page to include more topics, we can go ahead and do that. And there we can see that information has been put back. One other thing is, if you have a little note in here and you're like, oh, I'm just not too sure what exactly that means, adjusted formatting, what was changed. If you click on the date code right here, you can see the changes that are in there, which is very handy. So this is one way you can confirm that this is what you want. You know, if it was a change that was made 6 months ago and you don't remember, this is a nice way to go and see what that change was. So that's how revisions work on a page level. revisions on a block level are very similar, and I will show you that now. So I have a few blocks on the page, and how I know it's a block is when I hover over it, this gear icon appears, whereas over my page, let's not look at a revision. When I look at my page, I don't have that gear icon showing up when I hover over it. So this is just a pretty handy clue that this is a block. If I expand this, configure block, I've got some stuff right here. So we're going to adjust the text. And here my revision information is checked for me, so it will get created, but I just want to put in a log message so I know what it is. All right, save. So now if we go down, you can see my changes in there. And we're going to go back into configure block. And up here is where the revisions is. So this sample revision experiment is what I just put in. And then this is my original one, which I did not put a comment in. Like I said, you can put a comment in, you don't have to. I feel like it makes it easier. And then we have the option to revert. It does not give you the current status like the page does, which is very handy, but just know that the top one is your current one. And if you click this revert, nothing's going to happen because you're already there. I don't recommend deleting reverts because then you're deleting part of your history of the content. And the whole point of this is to keep that history. So I don't recommend deleting. But it works the same way. If we want to go back to what was the original, we just click revert. And it updates our log for us. If we go look at it, our hi guys is gone. So that's how the block works. It's slightly different information you see, but it's still the same concepts. So I hope this helps clarify what a revision is and why you should use it and how it's helpful to you. Thank you.